Installation guidelines. Rehau authorised installers should be competent in the particular considerations for PEX pipe installations, as well as Rehau's specific recommendations. These guidelines supplement the requirements set out in AS NZS 3500. When installing Rautitan water pipes, it is important to provide adequate support and spacing. Only use brackets and clips that are suitable for polymer pipes and are burr-free. Brackets with a rubber lining are recommended. The maximum spacing for brackets can be found in Chapter 7 of the Rautitan Technical Information. Always remember to take into account thermal expansion and contraction of the pipes, particularly in hot water applications. This can be controlled using deflection legs, also known as offsets. If you are not familiar with how to install deflection legs correctly, more information can be found in Chapter 7 of the Rautitan Technical Information. A method to control thermal length changes in the pipe is to use pipe support channels. This will reduce the thermal expansion and contraction and lead to fewer or smaller expansion legs or offsets. Using pipe support channels has two additional noticeable benefits. One is that the pipe will remain straight and will not sag, which is useful should the pipe be installed in a clearly visible location, where the appearance is an important consideration. The other benefit is that the spacing of the brackets can be increased to a maximum of 2 metres. Rautitan pipes can be bent by hand or using a bending tool. If you bend by hand, the required bending radius is 8 times the diameter of the pipe. If you use a bend bracket, then a smaller bending radius of 5 times or even 3 times the pipe diameter is allowed. For a complete reference table of bending diameters, refer to the Rautitan Technical Information. Always make sure that after bending the pipe, no dents or kinks occur. Rautitan can be connected to a copper system. For the transition fittings, always braze the copper first, let it cool down, then compress the fitting onto the Rautitan pipe. Unique copper press adapters are available to connect Rautitan to a B-press system without brazing. When connecting to water heaters, always confirm with the water heater manufacturer first that their heaters are compatible with PEX pipes. Rautitan pipes are not recommended as the flow and return piping for uncontrolled heat sources such as wood fire boilers or solar water heaters. The outlet of the storage heater has to be fitted with 1 metre of metallic piping prior to the installation of the Rautitan pipe, as required by AS NZS 3500. To avoid exceeding the maximum operating temperature and pressure, installation of devices such as pressure relief valves or thermostatic mixing valves are recommended.